Hi students, now I am going to take 12th standard maths 6th chapter applications of vector algebra last exercise. Today we are going to discuss first two formulas. How to find out the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection. Second one is how to find out the distance of a plane from a point. So first one is the Cartesian equation of the plane which passes through the line of intersection of the planes. The equation of planes are given a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. So to find out the Cartesian equation is the first equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1. Here it is given equal to d1 if you are taking the left side minus d1 plus one constant lambda into equation of the second plane a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 equal to 0. Second formula is the distance of a plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 from a point a of x1, y1, z1 is delta equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now let us solve the sums based on these two formulas. In exercise 6.9, first question, find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes r dot 2i minus 7j plus 4k equal to 3 and 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. So the first equation is given in vector form. So the first equation of the plane we can write from the first equation. Equation of planes are 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 is equal to 0. And the second equation directly you can write 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. Then we can write the formula, that is the Cartesian equation of the plane passes through the line of intersection of these two planes. Therefore, the required Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the two given planes. This can be written as the first equation is 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda into the second equation 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. Then the question it is given, the equation of the plane passes through the point minus 2, 1, 3. Since it passes through minus 2, 1, 3, this one you can consider as equation number 1. The first equation can be written as, instead of x, y, z, you can replace this value. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 7, plus 12 minus 3, plus lambda into minus 6, minus 5, plus 4, plus 11 equal to 0. So when you are simplifying, minus 14 plus 12. So minus 2 plus, here we are having minus 6 minus 5 means minus 11. So plus 11. So plus 4 lambda equal to 0. Therefore, lambda equal to the value of, here we are having 4 is set. So this value is 12. Now minus 2 plus 12 lambda equal to 0. Therefore 12 lambda equal to 2. Lambda equal to 2 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 6. Lambda value equal to 1 by 6. Now if we are replacing this lambda value here, we will get the required Cartesian equation. Therefore, again the first equation, substitute the value of lambda. Substitute lambda equal to 1 by 6 in 1. 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus 1 by 6 into 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. If you are taking 6 as LCM, the 6 is common only for the second equation. So if you are taking LCM, this can be written as 12x minus 42y plus 24z minus 18 plus 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. On simplifying this, again when you are simplifying this, you can combine the like terms together. 12x plus 3x, 15x minus 42y minus 5y minus 47y, 24z plus 4z plus 28z minus 18 plus 11. So minus 7 equal to 0. Now this is the required Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the two given planes. Now let us solve the second sum. Here the question is, find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 2, x minus y plus z equal to 3, and at a distance 2 by root 3 from the point 3, 1 and minus 1. So here the first part is same only. First you can write the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the two given planes. The two given planes can be written as x plus 2y plus 3z minus 2 plus lambda into x minus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. So in this question, it passes through the point is not given. The distance from the point is 2 by root 3. So first you can combine and make it as a single equation. Combine the like terms together. So here you can write this one as 1 plus lambda into x plus 2 minus lambda into y plus 3 plus lambda into z plus constant is minus 2, here minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Now this single equation you can consider as the equation of plane. Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Then in the question it is given the distance of the plane from the point, that is delta is given as 2 by root 3. So you can substitute in the formula delta equal to So the point x1, y1, z1, and this is the equation of the plane. So you can write 1 plus lambda into x equal to 3 plus 2 minus lambda into y is equal to 1 plus 3 plus lambda into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 lambda equal to determinant of this one divided by root of 1 plus delta the whole square 2 minus delta the whole square plus 3 plus delta the whole square. When you expand this, when you are simplifying, delta equal to, you can remove the bracket, so you get 3 plus 3 lambda plus 2 minus lambda minus 3 minus lambda minus 2 minus 3 lambda divided by root of 1 plus lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 4 plus lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 9 plus lambda square plus 6 lambda. This is equal to, when you are simplifying, plus 3 lambda minus 3 lambda you can cancel, then plus 3 minus 3 cancel, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So in the numerator we are getting only minus 2 lambda divided by denominator, when you are simplifying, lambda square, lambda square, lambda square, 3 lambda square, then 2 lambda plus 6, 8 plus 4, 8 minus 4. So plus 4 lambda 9 plus 1 plus 14. That is inside the square root. We are having minus 2 lambda divided by root of 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 14. This distance is given as 2 by root 3. The distance from the point is given as 2 by root 3. When you are simplifying this, we can find out the value of lambda. Since this is a modulus, we can remove the negative sign, and to remove the square root symbol, squaring on both sides, we will get 4 lambda square divided by 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 14, which is equal to 4 divided by 3. This 4 and 4 also cancel. Remaining values, when you are simplifying, we are cross multiplying, we will get 3 lambda square is equal to 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 14. 3 lambda square cancel. Therefore, 4 lambda equal to minus 14, lambda equal to minus 7 by 2. Lambda equal to minus 7 by 2. Now, in the first combined equation, we have to replace lambda equal to minus 7 by 2 and we can find out the answer. That is, x plus 2y plus 3z minus 2 minus 7 by 2 into x minus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y plus 6z minus 4 minus 7x plus 7y minus 7z plus 21 equal to 0. When you are simplifying this, 2x minus 7x minus 5x, 4y plus 7y plus 11y, 6z minus 7z minus z minus 4 plus 21 plus 17 equal to 0. Once more, if you are removing this negative sign, the answer is 5x minus 11y plus z minus 17 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a plane. Thank you, children.